Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome back to my channel. In this pattern tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draft a V-neck t-shirt. This is going to be very detailed and step by step. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. These are the measurements I'm going to be using, so get yours ready. To start, the top edge will stand as my shoulder line, while the side edge will be my center front. Next, I'm going to mark my vertical measurements, starting with my bust point, which is 10 inches, my waist point, which is 16 inches, and finally my hip point, which is 22 inches. This is also the length of my t-shirt. Next, I'm going to mark a quarter of my horizontal measurement. My bust is 36 inches, so I'm going to divide that by 4, which gives me 9 inches. So I'm going to mark that point. Next, I'm going to divide my waist measurement by 4, which is 30 divided by 4, which gives me 7.5 inches. Lastly, my hip measurement is 38 inches divided by 4, which is 9.5 inches. Once I'm done, I'm going to draw a straight line to highlight this measurement. Next, I'm going to insert my neckline measurement, which is the standard 3 inches. Then half of my shoulder measurement, which is 7.5 inches. I'm going to insert my shoulder slope measurement of 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect the new shoulder point to the neck point. If you want a wider neckline, you can always increase this, but make sure you have the same measurement for the front and back pieces. If not, the shoulders will not match when you're sewing. Next is the armhole measurement. To get this, I divided my bust measurement by 6, then added 1.5 inches. This gave me 7.5 inches. This automatically determines the upper chest measurement. Once I mark this, I'm going to draw a straight line to highlight. Next, I'm going to insert my bust measurement on the upper chest line and add ½ an inch for ease of movement. This is optional. Next, I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the shoulder point to the upper chest line. Next, I'm going to find the midpoint of the armhole and mark it. Then I'm going to go inwards by ½ an inch. Once I'm done, I'm going to use my pattern master to connect the shoulder point to the inner midpoint and then to the initial bust point, just like so. Next, I'm going to connect my bust, waist, and hip measurements. Because this is a t-shirt, there are different ways to do this. The first way is to loosely shape the t-shirt by adding some inches to the waist measurement, just like so. The second method is to box out the sides by only connecting the bust point to the hip point. Finally, for a more fitted look, you could just stick to the original measurement by connecting the bust to the waist, then to the hip. It's all about preference. Now for the neckline. For the center back, I'm going to come down by 1 inch and then connect it to the shoulder. For the center front neckline, which is a V shape, the best way to get your measurement is to measure from the shoulder point close to the neck, down diagonally to where you want it at the center of your chest. I want mine to be 8 inches long, so I'm going to place my measuring tape at the tip of the shoulder down to the center front, just like so. To connect the points, you can either draw a sharp diagonal line, just like this, or just curve it slightly. Either way is fine. For those who like to shape their back armhole differently from the front, all you need to do is to connect the shoulder point to the initial midpoint, then to the bust point, just like so. I sometimes don't use different armholes for t-shirts. I just cut everything the same. Finally, we're done. Don't forget to add your 1 centimeter seam allowance all through, and at the hem, you can add between 1.5 inches to 2 inches. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.